This is my secret prompt, and I give this for getting Amazon website. Boom, bro. I got it. This is another secret prompts. I give this for getting user profile. Woo! Awesome, bro. Look at this. If you have been guessing how to talk to AI tools like Vibe Coding, stop! You are about to learn 2 killer prompt formulas that will instantly level up your coding and automate tasks you never thought possible. So here's the deal. AI tools like Vibe aren't just for tech wizard. If you learn how to write a smart prompt, you will get 10x better result. In this video, I will show you 2 real prompt techniques that work like magic, and I will break them down step by step so you can steal the formula and use it right away. Tactic number 1. The first prompt technique is the structure-based prompt, and it is the backbone of pro-level result. So here's the exact structure I use for getting the best result. If I say this one thing, look at this. As a beginning time, I define the role. What kind of role the AI want to play. For example, I'm a senior front-end developer. As the beginning time, I define the rule, and after that I say that, bro, generate a type of code. What type of code you want to generate? I want to define type of code. That means like he want to generate like a React component, React component, and after that does a specific task. So I want to actually say specific things in here. So what kind of task you want to complete? So if I say, look at this, one interesting things, that is what specific task he want to complete. I write in here, so display what is the specific task you want to complete, bro. Look at this, display a user profile with image. He will display the user profile with image and username, name, follow button, and friend, and add friend and bio. So, and now I will give the enter, but before giving the enter, I want to say why this prompt will work properly. Just because of I already define the role, what kind of role he want to play for generate the code, right? So like he will play the role like a senior front-end developer, and after that he will generate React component. That is his goal. Okay, that is the role, and that is the what? That is the actually kind of goal. And after that, there is the actually specific task. What is the specific task? He want to actually write a React component with display user profile with image, username, and blah blah things. So let's see what kind of output we are seeing. Oh, they're working on that. Okay, the writing code. Oh, look at this, the generate user profile right now using TypeScript. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at this, bro. What an awesome output I'm get. I got it, bro. I got awesome output. Look at this. Okay, what was my prompt? Like act like a senior front-end developer and generate a React component, right? So he create that is a React component, and after that I say the display user profile. That is the user profile. Okay, there is a whole, there is a full is the user profile with image, and after that username. That is a username, bro. And after that I say that, bro, like usernames. There is a names and there is a username. Okay, and I say please, bro, add a follow button. And look at this, I'm never specifically say what color you want to add, but you know that what color will be suitable for this component. That's the reason background is the black. And after that what I say, please add friend button. That is the add friend button. Add friend button he also add, and after that he write bio. So in this way we can actually write a random prompt to professional level prompt. That is the number 1 secret. Do you like it? If you like it, like and comment and subscribe. And let's see the second one. Tactic number 2. The next one is the result reverse prompt, and it is the ridiculously powerful. My prompt is that is. So I write another prompt. What is the prompt? For example, give me HTML and CSS code for a landing page with a full width hero image and headline, CTA button and responsive layout. So why it will work? I never give any kind of chance or space for Think AI. I directly say, hey AI, give me the final result. Okay, for example, I use, what is that? That is the actual language. Okay, that is a language. What language, programming language they want to use for getting the result. So after that, what I say, I avoid how to. So what I say in here, landing page, bro, using HTML and CSS, give me the landing page. Clear? So I say this like using HTML and CSS, give me the landing page with full, full with hero image and headline, CTA button and responsive layout. I directly say what kind of things I need. I directly say I need this kind of things like full with hero image, headline, CTA button. Please give me and build it, bro, and definitely it will work. Just because of I 100% focus on what? I 100% focus on final result. Okay, I totally avoid how to write code, blah blah things. I don't want to know it. I am not giving any kind of chance for Think AI. I directly say build it, bro, just using HTML, CSS, build the landing page using headlines and CTA button responsive things. So let's see what kind of output we will get it. Enter. Oh, look at this. Right now he is AI generate the code. Okay, we are wait for that. Oh my goodness, look at this. I already get exact result what I want. Unbelievable, bro, unbelievable. So how it works? What was our prompt? Look at this. I say HTML and CSS, right? Use HTML and CSS. So if I go in here, index.html, so he write CSS, and also he write in underside, he write HTML code. Okay. So and another, what was that? I say that like landing page. He write it the landing page, bro. So another thing is I say, write like hero sections. That is a hero section. And another thing is headline. Look at the headline, bro. Cool. This is awesome, bro. I like it. This is the header. Okay. So I say this header button, header, and our feature. Look at this, our feature. Wow. What actually, animation. I love it, bro. And look at this, the footer section. So what I use, just use the secret prompt, just focus on output. That is the result reverse prompting. So just to focus on the output, what kind of output you want to. So what you want, so this kind of things you want to write in prompt. This is a powerful 2 secret prompt. I hope you like it and subscribe and like this video. That's just the beginning. If you want more life-changing video, hit that subscribe button, like this video and drop a comment saying prompt like a pro. This is Hassan signing off. And remember, don't code harder, prompt smarter.